I'm going to share the top 7 countries that actually pay you to relocate, and I will break down exactly what you need to do to take advantage of these amazing opportunities. Have you ever dreamed of leaving your current lifestyle behind and starting afresh in a new country? Maybe you are tired of the same old routine, or perhaps you are seeking a change of scenery or for a fresh start. Whatever the reason, I've got some incredible news for you. There are countries out there that will actually pay you to move there. That's right. You heard that right. They will give you financial incentive to pack up and start a new life. But before we dive into the list, let us talk about why this trend is gaining popularity. More and more countries are realizing that they need to attract foreign talent and skills to boost their economies and stimulate growth. And what better way to do this than to offer a financial carrot? For people looking to make a change, this is a dream come true. You get to experience a new culture, learn a new language, and start anew, all the while getting paid to do so. Of course, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme or a way to escape your problem. Relocating to a new country requires careful planning, research, and a willingness to adapt. But if you are up for that challenge, the reward can be very, very immense. You will get to experience a new way of life, make new friends, and unlock new opportunities that might not have been available to you before. What do you need to do to take advantage of these opportunities? Well, that is what we are going to cover in this video. Before we dive into the list of the countries, there are a few things you will need to consider. First and foremost, what skills do you bring to the table? Are you a software engineer, a doctor, or a teacher? Certain countries are looking for specific skills, so it is essential to know what you can offer to them. Next, you want to think about your financial readiness. Moving to a new country can be expensive, so you need to have some savings set aside to cover the cost of relocation, from visa fee to housing and living expenses. Another crucial factor is your willingness to adapt to new cultures and environment. Moving to a new country can be daunting, especially if you are not familiar with the language or custom. But if you are open-minded, flexible, and willing to learn, you'll be much more likely to succeed. Finally, you need to research. Research and research. Look into the country that interests you. Learn about their relocation program and understand the requirements and restrictions that come with them. Now that we've covered the basics, let's move to the main event, the top 7 countries that will pay you to relocate. Coming in at number 7 is Italy. Italy's elective residency visa offers a range of benefits, including a flat 7% tax rate on foreign income, plus a 100,000 grant to start your own business. If you are an entrepreneur or freelancer, Italy is an attractive option. Next up is Portugal, which offers a golden visa program. And in exchange for the investment in Portuguese real estate or starting a business, you get residency and a range of tax benefits, including 20% tax rate on foreign income. And with its stunning coastline and mild climate, Portugal is a popular choice for expats. At number 5 is Spain, where the Beckham law offers a flat 24% tax rate on foreign income, plus a range of benefits for entrepreneurs and freelancers. And let's be real, who wouldn't want to live in Spain with its beautiful beaches, vibrant cities, and rich culture? Moving up to number 4 is Greece, which offers a golden visa program similar to Portugal's. By investing in Greek real estate or starting a business, you will get residency and a range of tax benefits, including a 45% tax rate on foreign income. And with its stunning islands and rich history, Greece is a tempting option. Coming in at number 3 is Croatia, which offers a range of incentives from digital nomads and remote workers. With its stunning coastline and vibrant cities, Croatia is becoming a hotspot for expats. And with its digital nomad visa, you can live and work there for up to a year. Next up is New Zealand, which offers a range of incentives for entrepreneurs and freelancers. With its stunning natural beauties and vibrant cities, New Zealand is a popular choice for expats. And with its global impact visa, you can live and work there for up to 3 years. At number 1 is Estonia, which offers an e-residency program that lets you run your own business remotely from anywhere in the world. And with its stunning coastline and vibrant city, Estonia is an attractive option for digital nomads and entrepreneurs. So you have it, the top 7 countries that will pay you to relocate from Italy to Estonia. Each of these countries offers a range of incentives and benefits to attract foreign talent and skills. But before you start packing your bags, let's take a closer look at each of these countries. From Italy's picturesque town to Estonia's vibrant city, each of these countries has its own unique charm and appeal. So you are thinking about making the move. What practical step do you need to take? First and foremost, research, and research. Learn about the local laws and regulations. Understand the visa requirements and get familiar with the cost of living in your chosen country. Next, think about your housing options. Will you rent or buy a place? What are the local customs and traditions when it comes to housing and accommodation? Another crucial factor is your job prospects. Will you work remotely or find a job in your chosen country? What are the job opportunities like, and how will you support yourself? Finally, think about your social network. Will you know people in your chosen country, or will you need to make new friends? How will you cope with homesickness and cultural differences? Of course, relocating to a new country can be daunting, and it is natural to have concerns and doubt. What about cultural difference? Will I be able to adapt to local custom and tradition? Another common concern is job availability. Will I be able to find job in my chosen country, or will I need to work remotely? And finally, homesickness. How will you cope away from your family and friends? And how will you stay connected with your loved ones back home? Despite these concerns, the benefit of moving to these countries far outweighs the drawbacks. From cash bonuses to tax break, these countries are offering some amazing incentive to attract foreign talents and skills. So what are you waiting for? Take the leap and start researching these amazing opportunities. Share your thoughts in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content on relocation and travel. I will see you in the next video.